you will find this video at the right time. So I'm certain that this video will show up in your feed when you are ready. And if you clicked on it, then you are ready. And I believe that you've been working towards something so hard and not seeing any results. And you're left wondering, am I not good enough? Am I doing something wrong? Why am I not seeing results? And this mindset exactly is what's keeping you from getting those results. So instead, from now on, I want you to adopt a different mindset. The let it happen mindset. You could have already read it in the title. Just let it happen, man. This is the main point that I want you to understand from this video. I want you to, from now on, to start putting the efforts, start putting the hard work, working, grinding. But at the end of the day, just let it happen. Detach from the outcome, detach from the results. Stop expecting to see results once you put in the effort. Because this is not how life works. Sometimes you could put 100% of your efforts towards something, but you won't see any results. And sometimes you could start something just for fun and see incredible results. And this sadly is how life works. And once you understand and grasp this concept, your life will become so much better, because you will start detaching from the results, and you will avoid so much depression, so much sadness that people are facing, that I faced when I first started putting results towards something, towards anything. The moment I used to have this mindset that if I put effort into something or towards something, I expect to see results, and I expect to see them instantly. And this is not how life works. I learned that the hard way, because there are so many things that I started, and because I had this mindset, I stopped them because I simply didn't see results early on. This is why I want you to be the guy who puts the effort, not expecting to see any results. But because the moment you start detaching from the outcome is the moment you start attracting instead of chasing. And when you become desperate to see results in something, or you become desperate for a certain outcome, you actually start pushing it away. That outcome won't happen because you are exuding desperate energy. And desperate energy is going to push away everything good that's coming in your way. So instead of being desperate and attaching to a certain outcome, I want you to detach from it. Leave things as they are. Put the effort, but don't expect any outcome. So learn to let it happen. There's this song from Tame Impala that I listen to like a lot. And honestly, you can learn a lot from it. Because the title is obviously let it happen, like the title of the video. And this is the mindset. Let it happen. Don't attach to any outcome. Put the effort. Do the hard work. Grind. But don't expect to see efforts instantly. Don't expect to see them like 1 day from now, 2 days from now. There are people who stick and put efforts into something for throughout years, and after 2 years, 5 years, maybe even 10 years. But if you have this mindset of expecting results the moment you start putting efforts in, then you are going to be miserable. And you are going to obviously quit everything that you start, because there are things that take time to see results in them. There are things that require years of consistency. So results will compound, and then when they compound enough, you will be able to see them. And all of this can be found in stoicism, which is a movement in philosophy in which is heavily advised that you should realize that there are certain things that you can't control. And just realizing these things that you cannot control and being okay with that and accepting that will give you the time to focus on the things that you can control and that you can improve. And those things being your work ethic, your goals, your consistency, So stop stressing about the outcome and start focusing only on what you can improve, because there are certain things that take a lot of times to show results, to see results in. Like for example, if I had this mindset in my YouTube journey, in my personal brand that I want to build, like my videos right now are getting 50 views, 100 views at max, but that's okay, that's fine, because I love the journey and I want to see results. I'm not going to lie to you, I want to see results. I want to reach 1000 views, I want to reach 10k views, 100k views. But I'm not going to rush it. I don't expect it to see it tomorrow. I don't expect to see it next week. But I want to see it. And I'm detaching from that outcome. The thing that I can improve and that I focus on right now is the quality of my videos. It's the only thing that I can improve and that I control. The only thing that I have 100% control over is the quality of my videos, is the quality of my speech. This is the only thing that I can improve and that I control. The views I get, the reach I get, how much the algorithm is going to push my video, this is not things that I can control. These are outside things. These are things that are decided by so many more variables. But the only thing that I can control right now, while recording this video and while looking at you, is improving my videos, improving the quality, improving the way I speak, improving my message, improving the quality and the content, the value that I share with you. So this is the mindset that I want you to adopt. Start detaching from the outcome. Learn to detach. Do things. Put the effort. Work. Go for that extra mile. But don't expect to see results. Because if you expect to see results in something and you don't, this is going to crush you. It's going to crush your work ethic and you will end up quitting that thing. Because you expected to see results. And this is why so many people are living frustrated, because they put efforts and expect to see results. And honestly, you shouldn't expect to get anything out of anyone. Like, let's forget even about results. Let's talk even about social relationships. When you do something good for someone and you expect them to return the favor, as we say, and you expect from them to return the favor and they don't, what does this do to you? It makes you miserable. You end up leaving that person and you end up getting hurt. So take this exact context and apply it to everything in your life. When you do something and expect to see results once you put efforts in it and you don't, this is going to crush you. You maybe are going to see results, but there's going to be days in which you don't see any results. There are going to be days in which you feel frustrated, in which you don't feel like doing anything. And when you don't see those results, you're going to give yourself all the reasons to quit. But when you learn how to detach from the outcome and you literally program your mind to put efforts anyway, you are going to go far in life. You are going to surpass every level that you thought you're never going to surpass. Because you are not relying on results anymore. You are just executing like a machine. And this is a ruthless mindset. And I personally, when I started adopting this mindset, I started doing things that I myself thought I will never do. Be the guy who does the work and doesn't expect results. And honestly, this will get you further in life. Be the guy who does the work and not expect any results. Because when results will show up, and I promise you that they will eventually show up. And the paradoxical thing is that they will only show up once you stop being desperate and you stop expecting to see them. Because when you are so desperately chasing an outcome, you won't get it. But when you detach from it, you will naturally attract it. because you will start putting the hard work and becoming the person that deserves that outcome. And this is very different from chasing it. This is literally manifesting it. This is literally attracting that outcome, because it will come and find you once you are ready and you are worthy enough of that outcome. And this is very different from chasing it. This is very different from being desperate from that outcome. Because being desperate will get you nowhere. Being desperate will only push away that outcome. It will only leave you miserable. Expecting to see something and wanting something so bad is actually the only thing that's keeping you from getting it. So stop chasing and start attracting. Start becoming the person who attracts those outcomes that you want to see, that you want to have, that you want to achieve. And this is my message for you today. Start detaching and let it happen. Adopt this mindset. Like, remember this. Do the hard work and just let it happen. If you do the hard work and let it happen, it will happen eventually. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not the next week, maybe not the next month, maybe not the next year, but it will happen eventually. As long as you do the hard work, as long as you put those reps in. So do the hard work and let it happen. Click here to watch more, and as always, stay hard.